Hello guys, welcome back to the third session. Thank you very much guys for all this love and the comments and everything. I'm just shocked that people are start liking the videos. Even it's on YouTube, but people are following on my Instagram. That's strange, but no problem. I'm uploading daily here, so you can subscribe or just bookmark my channel just to watch all the videos because I've started from the yesterday. The first part was the meow, the second is the fawn, and today is the third, which is dancing. So here at the dancing category, I have checked the tags. The first thing is a protocol, SMB, and recon is there, anonymous login or access. So I already started our hacking machine here with the parrot terminal, which is a virtual hacking machine provided by the Hack the Box, and he already provided the IP address to attack. So first I'm copying that IP address here. So basically this third session is about the SMB, which is a server message block, usually used to share files in some operating system. And there are many things you can also do with the SMB. Some people store files for the company access, some people use for the SMB for the external or internal access of the files and something like that. So here we have to attack this IP address, which I have already copied here. So the first question is, what does the three-letter SMB stand for? That's just now I said server message block. Okay, which is correct. And what does the SMB use to operate at? That's thing we have to check it here. So here we have the IP address. So as per the method we are using here, the first ping is 10.129.106.163. Okay, it's pinging perfect, which I have stopped. Then I have start the nmap 10.129.106.163. Okay, it's scanning. Okay, there are some protocols are there which are running. The ports are 135 for the MSRPC, 139 for the NetBIOS, and 445 TCP/1 Microsoft DS, which is kind of a SMB. So the 445 is our answer here. Okay, what do the service name for the port 44, the name come up in the Microsoft scan? We just now check it. It's Microsoft DS. Perfect. What is the flag or switch that we can use with the SMB client utility to list the available shares on dancing? For that thing, we need to scan, man. So how we are going to do that? And map. I'm going to with the A initial here. 10.129.106.163. Sorry, I think just on the Rust. The Rust work here. Rust is also another plugin which I use always. 106.163. Okay, Rust scan is not there. So what we are going to do here? Yesterday we have check it now, and I'm going to put N also for the network. So IP address is 10.129.106.163. So it will scan all the ports and everything. Then we try to connect it. Okay, the Windows RPC is working, so we got the same details, but now with the operating system which the victim machine is using, and same thing but with some more information here. So what was the question? What is the flag or switch that we can use to list the available shares on dancing? LS. No, wait, it's about the SMB now. So L, capital L, perfect. How many shares are there on that? Oh, for this thing I have to attack here. Why it's lagging? Yeah, so how we are going to do that? SMB client. I will use a initial here. And the thing which we use to enumerate the list of the files. So we are going to put a 10.129.106.163. Let's see. I don't know what the thing. I think I have to just go with dot initial. I'm clearing the terminal and SMB client. Should I directly put the IP address here and check 10.129.106.163? Okay, so it's asking me the password and I don't know the password. My character, the IP addresses and everything. Should I just go and check what I am missing there? Mm, okay, so I everything is perfect. I think I'm just typing the IP address wrong. No problem, I will try it again. SMB client. Instead of that, I will use that list of all the directories which is sharing on SMB. So the IP address is 10.129.106.163. You're asking me the password again. Should I keep no past over there? Yo, we got it now. Actually, I just forget to put that no pass initial over there. So here you guys can see the server is sharing four directories here. One for the admin, one for the some C, and one for the IPC, and one is for the work share. So how many shares are there in dancing? There are four, buddy. Okay. What is the name of the share we are able to access in the end of the blank password? Blank password is without any authentication is work share. Share or shares? Okay, shares. What is the command we use with SMB shell to download the file we find? I think yesterday we did it. So basically I will try to. I think I am just using that command in a wrong way. So basically SMB client and I was using the slash, but I think it's opposite of the slash. Okay, and then we have to put the sorry, the IP address 199.106.163 and again to opposite slash work shares. It's asking me the password again and I don't have any password. Connect it. Why it's lagging? Connection. Why is connection failed again and again? Ah, we got it. I think it's a problem with the connectivity. Okay, so what it asks me here? What is the command we use within the assembly shell to download the file? I think it's same like the FTP yesterday we have. Check it and get. Okay, now we have to grab the flag. Okay, so I'm the list, checking the list of how many folders are there. me.j, james.p, so cd, me. dot j. Okay, I'm inside the image or there's a work notes dot text. Okay. Oh, sorry, cat won't work in SMB client. So list view again. What happened? Come on. It's laggy. Disconnected. I want to try to connect again. Okay, I'm inside. Yes, now we will go to James cd james.p. Is there any file? Yeah, flag is there. So we will use that get method. Okay, get flag dot txt. Why is laggy, man? I don't know. Can I try again? Come on. Oh, sorry, I was typing the wrong. Okay, it's downloaded again into my home directory. Flag is there. Copy. Submit the flag. Ah man, finally, it's we got it. It's what's so laggy. I don't know. I think because of my connection or HTTP connection. HTTP means the hack the box. No problem. We solve it. Let's go for the next four. Redeemer. Let's see what they have. The Redeemer. Vulnerability assessment, database, recon, anonymous, and guest access. Okay, chalo, let's go for the next video.